Hi guys, this video is to discuss ways of presenting your final product if you chose a news article / essay for your final project. So my advice to everyone is to go with the simplest route, which is Google Documents. And in order to do that, you're going to have to go to Google Docs. So you can go to your Google Drive, and on your Google Drive, you're going to find what we call the waffle, these little dots right here. And you're going to click on Docs. And that should take you to this page right here. Now, this page right here has a couple options for you guys. Your plain old regular Google document, which looks like this. And right here, you are in control. You get to start and end your essay however you want. However, I find that some templates would be really appropriate in this case and could make things a little funner, right? We could have an essay paperback version and kind of click through that and see what kind of template we have here. Awesome. So this is really amazing because we can change already, like from biology to world history, the period, put Ms. Montes' name there, the title of our news article, your name, change this with any picture you want to include, and then begin writing your essay. So that's one option. There are other options too, and if you want to see those other options, you just click here where it says Template Gallery. You just browse around. There's also this one here, which I think could be really nice for a news article or a report. Again, you can put the course name, your title, your name, introduction, and start writing your essay. And you can include an image. There is also the playful essay report. You can have an image in there, a big title, your name, and then your essay. So there's a couple of options here you can look through and find the one that best fits what you are working on. So plain old Google Docs is one of the options we can use. But if you want to get really fancy, another option you can use is called Canva.com. And we've used Canva before in our class to make infographics, but you can also do newsletters or news articles. So the very first step is to type in Canva.com in your search bar and go to Canva. And once you're in Canva, it's going to prompt you to log in. So you're going to click Login. And you're going to click Continue with Google. And it's going to ask you which account you want to use. And you're going to say your school account, CVUSD. Now, many of you guys already have an account because we used it in our class in the past. So it should be an easy step. But even if you haven't used it in the past, you can still make an account pretty easily by linking it to your CVUSD email. So right here where it says choose a template, you're going to choose newsletter, or you could also use news article. And it's going to give you a bunch of different templates you can use, so you can make your news article look a little bit more like something you would find on the Desert Suns or on News Channel 3 or on any of those websites. So you can look through these templates and see, wow, is there one that speaks to my soul? I think this one speaks to my soul. What I like about this one is that it's very simple, right? If I'm talking about the Salton Sea, I could even possibly still keep those fishies up there. But let's say I don't want to talk about those fishies. Let's say I actually want to include a picture from the Salton Sea. I can replace that with an image from the Salton Sea that I do want to use. I can replace this with my own title. And it's very simple to do these things. So I can just go, if I want to replace the image, I click on the previous image and delete it. Then I go to uploads. Oh, look, what'd you know? A picture of the Salton Sea. And here it is. And if I drag it over that picture, it automatically resizes for me. So I don't have to worry about that for my news article. If I want to change the title, I can just double click on the title and press delete and can put my own title. I could like maybe say North Shores Salton Sea. And if I want to make the title smaller, I just Control A to highlight everything. And then I go up here and press the little minus until things are the size that I want them. Same thing with these, right? If I already have what I'm going to say written down, I just come here, delete it, and then paste whatever I already have written down. And if this isn't enough, I can add another page, and I can go back to templates, and I could use another page, look for another page, delete one of their images with something that is relevant to my image, like let's say pollution. Let's say I choose this, I drag it over, and there we go. And then I replace that writing with something that is relevant to mine. So this is how you would make it look a little bit more professional. So this is just an option, just in case you want to level up your news article. But plain old Google Docs also works for your assignment. And none of them, like, you get the same amount of points if you do the easy option versus the hard option. So really, it's up to you and your preferences. Good luck. If you need any help, let me know during class.